Every car needs regular maintenance.
Every car needs regular maintenance.
Each student wrote a paragraph.
Each student wrote a paragraph.
Each child received a small present.
Each child received a small present.
That movie was very entertaining.
That movie was very entertaining.
The weather feels extremely cold.
The weather feels extremely cold.
This chair is very comfortable.
This chair is very comfortable.
It was such a wonderful surprise.
It was such a wonderful surprise.
You have such an amazing smile.
You have such an amazing smile.
It was such a difficult challenge.
It was such a difficult challenge.
This soup tastes too spicy.
This soup tastes too spicy.
The bag is too heavy for me.
The bag is too heavy for me.
The water is too deep for kids.
The water is too deep for kids.
I'm not tall enough to reach.
I'm not tall enough to reach.
We don't have enough time today.
We don't have enough time today.
Both hotels offer free breakfast.
Both hotels offer free breakfast.
Both parks close at sunset.
Both parks close at sunset.
Both recipes look delicious.
Both recipes look delicious.
Either team can win the match.
Either team can win the match.
Either route takes the same time.
Either route takes the same time.
Either flavor tastes amazing.
Either flavor tastes amazing.
Neither answer is completely right.
Neither answer is completely right.
Neither road is safe at night.
Neither road is safe at night.
Neither jacket fits comfortably.
Neither jacket fits comfortably.
All flowers need sunlight.
All flowers need sunlight.
All cars stopped at the signal.
All cars stopped at the signal.
All guests arrived early today.
All guests arrived early today.
Every country has its own culture.
Every country has its own culture.
Every friend of mine loves music.
Every friend of mine loves music.
Each door leads to a different room.
Each door leads to a different room.
Each page contains new information.
Each page contains new information.
Each person received a gift.
Each person received a gift.
That song sounds very beautiful.
That song sounds very beautiful.
The food smells delicious here.
The food smells delicious here.
Your handwriting looks amazing.
Your handwriting looks amazing.
It was such a peaceful evening.
It was such a peaceful evening.
You are such a helpful person.
You are such a helpful person.
They had such a long journey.
They had such a long journey.
The river is too wide to cross.
The river is too wide to cross.
The test was too hard for me.
The test was too hard for me.
This bag is too small for travel.
This bag is too small for travel.
He isn't strong enough to lift it.
He isn't strong enough to lift it.
The room isn't bright enough.
The room isn't bright enough.
We don't have enough money left.
We don't have enough money left.
Both books are really interesting.
Both books are really interesting.
Both artists performed beautifully.
Both artists performed beautifully.
Both cups are made of glass.
Both cups are made of glass.
Either jacket suits you well.
Either jacket suits you well.
Either song can be played next.
Either song can be played next.
Either place is fine by me.
Either place is fine by me.
Neither movie was worth watching.
Neither movie was worth watching.
Neither restaurant served quickly.
Neither restaurant served quickly.
Neither flight had empty seats.
Neither flight had empty seats.
All cats love to play.
All cats love to play.
All lights are switched off.
All lights are switched off.
All guests are already seated.
All guests are already seated.
Every minute counts in exams.
Every minute counts in exams.
Every teacher cares about students.
Every teacher cares about students.
Each box contains fresh fruit.
Each box contains fresh fruit.
Each class has a new topic.
Each class has a new topic.
Each student finished on time.
Each student finished on time.